As I said, the cumulative frequency is very useful in finding the number of observation. Whatever the number of observation you want, you can find out very easily. So here is a table. I want to find out the 50th observation or 20th observation. We need the cumulative frequency for this table. Here see 0 to 10, 5 are there, 10 to 20, 3 are there. If you arrange them in increasing order like this, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, it is in increasing order only. But there are 5 observation, 3 observation, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 7 like that. Frequency is given. Now I want the 25th observation means we need to find out the cumulative frequency. We have two types of cumulative frequency. So one is called as a less than type. So one is called as less than type of cumulative frequency. Another one is more than type. More than type. More than or equal to. More than or equal to type. So we have two types. One is less than type. Other one is more than or equal to type. So let us learn the first one. How to find the cumulative frequency of less than 10. So here 0 to 10, how many observations are there? You can see the data and tell me now. 0 to 10, how many observations are there? You have to answer now. It is frequency, you can see 0 to 10 we have only 5. So that means here 0 to 10 means, so it may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. This many. So 10 will not be included in this group, 10 will come here. So that means you can take less than 10 here. Whatever the values, marks you can take only less than 10. 0 to 10 means only up to 9. That means less than 10. So therefore I can write here, first one, marks less than 10. So how many you will find? It is 5. Less than 10 it is 5. So the next one I will come here, less than 20. I will find out less than 20. Less than 20. So now you tell me how many are there less than 20 now. This, see 10 to 20 we have 3 and 0 to 10 we have 5. So then less than 20 means both will include. 0 to 10 as well as 10 to 20 both will be included there if I say less than 20. So that means we need to add these two. So I can write here, so you can write here 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 it is equal to 8. So you are adding here the previous one to this one. So next one, if I say less than 30, so less than 30 means you have to include 5, 3 and 4. So I will write here less than 30. So less than 30. So what are the sum you have to take? 0 to 10 also you have to take, 10 to 20 also you have to take, 20 to 30 also. That means 4 should be added to these two. So already these two are added. So you can write 4 plus 8. 8 is the sum of these two. Sum of these two. Then 4 is added there. 4 plus 8 it is equal to 12. So now let's go to less than 40. So less than 40 means, look at the table now. So less than 40 means all these values above this. See, less than 40 means it includes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Already you have found out the sum of these three. Sum of these three it is less than 30, it is 12. If you add 5, 3 plus 4, it is 12. Then add this 3 to that 12. So therefore 3 plus that previous sum, 12, it is 15. See, if you add this up to here, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Same. Now you can go to the next one, less than 50. So less than 50. So look at the table, less than 50 means up to here. So 5, 3, 4, 3, 3. Sum of all these frequencies. Now already we got the sum up to here. So then add 3 to that one. The sum up to there it is 15, then plus 3. It is 15 plus 3 it is 18. Next, less than 60. Less than 60 means up to here. Whatever the frequency you are having, that you have to add 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So but we are having up to here already, then you add 4 to that one. So that is the sum up to previous, then plus 4. 4 plus 18, it is 22. So you will get 22 when you add from here to here. 22. You can see 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 4, 22. So up to here 22. Now I want less than 70 means up to here. So less than 70. Less than 70. So that means all these sums. 7 plus sum of this. So 7 plus sum of that you know already it is there. Add 7 to that previous one. So it is 22 plus 7, it is 29. So similarly less than 80. Look at this. Less than 80 means you have to add up to here. You got already sum up to here, up to 7 plus 9 you should add. So 9 plus the previous sum 29. So it is 38. So now then less than 90. So less than 90 means up to here. You are having sum up to 9. So that is up to 9. What is the sum you are having? That is 38 plus 7. So you can add 7 plus this previous sum 38. So 38 plus 7. What is the sum? 45. 45. So then say you got less than 100. So less than 100 here. So you have to include this sum up to here, then plus 8. So 8 plus previous sum. 8 plus 45. So it gives you 53. So 53 observation. Totally, so if you add all these frequencies, you should get sum sigma, it is 50. Summation will be, sum of all the frequencies, sigma Fi will be 50 only. So this total sum can be identified by looking the last term here, cumulative frequency. So this is called as less than type of cumulative frequency. You can call this as cumulative frequency, CF. In short form we write CF, that represents the cumulative frequency, and it is less than type. So less than type. So less than type cumulative frequency. Less than type of cumulative frequency. So how to find this you have understood now. Less than type frequency. First 0 to less than 10 means 5, less than 20, 5 plus 3, less than 30, 5 plus 3 plus 4, less than 40, 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3, less than 50, 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3, like that everything should be added till then. So this type of cumulative frequency is called as less than type of cumulative frequency. This is the type of frequency, cumulative frequency used maximum number of times. This is the most common type of cumulative frequency we are going to use. Even then we have the other type, more than or equal to type, but we use only this type of cumulative frequency to find the median, mostly. Cumulative frequency is the second type of cumulative frequency, more than or equal to. We call this as more than or equal to. So we call this as more than or equal to. Let us see now. So I will write here in the first column the marks which are more than or equal to 0. So I can write here more than or equal to 0. First one. More than or equal to 0 means, see, this is above 0 only. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. More than 0 means everything which is here comes here. As you know already, sum of this one it is equal to 53. More than 0 means whatever the values that we are having, observation, all will come under more than or equal to 0. Even 0 also. So therefore it will be total 53 only. First one itself is 53. Okay. And second one you see the second lower limit you are taking. More than or equal to 10 I will write it. So here more than or equal to 10. More than or equal to 10. Instead of 0 now, see, more than or equal to 0 means all these frequencies you should add here. More than or equal to 10 means whatever the numbers frequencies are below here, excluding this one. More than or equal to 10 means less than 10 we should remove here. So more than or equal to 10 means from here 3 plus 4 plus 3. Whatever the sum is here, we should find out. How to find sum of this one? Instead of this from total you minus this one. So I can minus this 5. 54 minus 53 minus first one, because we don't want this 0 to 10. Minus 5. 53 minus 5, it is, what is the answer? 48. 53 minus 5 is 48. Okay, so this is more than 10, more than or equal to 10. See, more than or equal to 10 means all these sum. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 10 plus 30, 70, 24, 24, 33, 33 plus 7, 40 plus 8, 48. Sum of all these frequencies we should take here. Then next cumulative frequency, see this one is over, this one is over, then more than or equal to 20 I will write. So here we can write, so more than or equal to 20. So that means you have to take the cumulative frequencies, all these frequencies sum below here, 20, more than or equal to 20 means equals 40 plus 3, 4 plus 3 plus, that means we should remove this 8. Okay, so that means from this you have to remove this 8. Or otherwise, what you can do, this here 5 is removed, the next one what you have to remove? 3 you have to remove, that's all. 5 already removed from 48. So either you remove from 53, these two you can remove, or already 5 removed, that is 48. From 48 you remove 3, that is enough. So you can write 48 minus 3, it is 45. See how you remember this one? See, it is total 53. If you remove 5, then this sum will come. Then 53, from 53 if you remove these two, then sum will come. Otherwise, here you got 48 now. This was 53, this was 48. From 48 you remove this 3. 48 you got it by subtracting 5. Then from 48 again if you subtract 3, you are going to remove these two. So it will be 45. Okay, that I have written here, 45. So this means this 45 is obtained by removing these two. Okay. So now the next one, we will go to the removing this, what is that, more than or equal to 30. You can write more than or equal to 30. So more than or equal to 30 means here, what are the things you have to remove? More than or equal to 30 means you have to include only this, you have to remove all this, 5 plus 3 plus 4. Already 45 got from removing 5 and 3. From 45 you remove 4. From 45 you remove 4. 45 minus 4. So it is 41. Similarly, more than or equal to 40. So you have to find out more than or equal to 50. More than or equal to 60. More than or equal to 70. So more than or equal to 80. More than or equal to 90 you have to find out. So that is the last one. More than or equal to 90 is the last one. More than 100 you will not get. So now let us do it one by one. More than or equal to 30, we got 45 minus 4. 45 minus 4, what is that we got? We got 41. It is obtained, 41 is obtained by subtracting all these three. 41 is obtained by subtracting these three frequencies. So to get this next cumulative frequency, subtract this 3 from 41. So 3 should be subtracted. 41 minus 3. 41 minus 3 gives you 38. Similarly, more than 50 means is 38 you got by subtracting these numbers up to here. 38. So now you want the next cumulative frequency means from 38 you subtract 3. Subtract 3 again because same number is repeating. 38 minus 3, it is 35. So it is more than or equal to 50. So this is obtained, 35 is obtained by subtracting up to numbers here. Okay, to get the next cumulative frequency, from 35 you subtract 4. So that is 35 minus 4. So it is 31. So you got this 31 by subtracting frequencies up to 4. The next cumulative frequency is from 31 you subtract 7. So 31 minus 7. 31 minus 7 gives you 24. See this 24 I will write here to avoid confusion. That 24 is obtained by subtracting up to this number. To get the next one, from 24 you subtract 9. So 24 minus 9. 24 minus 9, it gives you 15. Answer 15. So this 15 is obtained by subtracting the numbers up to here. All these numbers you are subtracting. 7. Then again from 15, if you subtract 7, you will get more than or equal to 90. 15 minus last frequency, it is minus 7, it is 8. So that means more than 90 we have only 8 frequency. Last one, it should tally there. So this is how you will get the more than or equal to type. 53, 48, 45, 41. So this type of cumulative frequency is called as more than or equal to type of cumulative frequency distribution. So more than or equal to. More than or equal to type. So this is more than or equal to type, or previous one is less than or equal to type.